Look, make your plans to Shonda, the online slayer. Leave a comment, sure to welcome all haters. Like a dislike, she still gon' keep it radar and move on to the next. So keep her on your radar. Now keep on watching and you can learn a little more. Hit subscribe and then like, leave a comment below.
Hello. So I do want to dig a little deeper on that topic, planning, preparation, and do, right? So there is something that can help you along the way, and that is this awesome book here. This is the Law of Attraction Planner. This is my second year of me using this planner. The first year I started was last year, of course. I went to this really cool conference at the MSK conference, My Sister's Keeper. Shout out to them. It was an awesome conference. They do it every year for vision board planning, and also one of their speakers did mention this planner, and she wrote down all her goals in this book, and I got to look inside of it basically, and all of her goals, and she was talking about how she achieved them. So I went out and got the book. So here we are, the Law of Attraction Planner. I'm about to open it up and show you all of its contents. So here is the Law of Attraction Planner. It does state, be the energy you want to attract. Ooh, deep. All right, so I'm gonna open it. I don't have a knife, but whatever. Here we go. All right, a 12-month journey to creating a dream life. Y'all, this planner is the truth. Law of Attraction Planner. So this is the wrap that comes around it. Here is the planner. Last year, I got the rose gold. And this year I saw they had a really nice purple, and it looks so deep, and you know, purple and royalty together. It's just the year of takeover. So this is the one I got. Now on here, I don't know if you can see it. We'll try to get in there. There's a circle. There's always some type of circle, kind of. So there's a circle, and it has different zodiacs: Taurus, Aries. I'm a Leo down here. Rawr. Anyways, so then it says Law of Attraction. There are some also more zodiac signs and the stars, and then there's a beautiful goddess down here. So let me just open up this book for you. Now also, just to let you know, there are different colors. It doesn't have to be purple. All right, let's open this up. Oh, it feels so nice and thick. It's so authentic. That's what I do like about it. Okay, so you always get some thank you cards in here. This is thank you, and then a coupon for next time. Now on here, the coupon, if you want 10% off, LOA10OFF. There you go. Now in here is another thank you just from the corporation giving you a thank you. They're a really good company, so I should really be thanking them for this wonderful idea. This is new in the books. Calendar stickers. I'm not sure exactly where I would put them as of yet, but who knows, maybe I'll get creative. Oh, it looks like you can put them on a tab and kind of bend them backwards. Okay, so you can get kind of creative. But here are stickers. There are also other stickers that you can use throughout the year and put them you know, on your calendars. Mark whatever you like to, if you like to use stickers. I'm such a hoarder with stickers that I'll collect them and then I'll never use them. I didn't use any of last year's, but that's okay. Here are the stickers. More stickers. These are cool colors. Okay. Motivational stickers. Hello, beautiful. Worry less, smile more. I like motivational stickers. Okay, and then I am grateful for shopping list, important idea, too delicate, urgent, my victories. Pretty cool. Here is a quote from Gandhi, and it states, keep your thoughts positive because your thoughts become your words. Keep your words positive because your words become your behavior. Keep your behavior positive because your behavior becomes your habits. Keep your habits positive because your habits become your values. Keep your values positive because your values become your destiny. Gandhi. All right, Gandhi. come through? Okay, so just to go in here, there are, introduction. You can put your information down. And there's also a planner index. You can do whatever you would like to. If there's important things that you wrote down and you want to remember them, you can create your own index here. It's really personable and it really sets you up for success. So here is a big part. Okay, so with this right here, this is your law of attraction roadmap. This is something that you can go by if you like to. You don't necessarily have to, but it just helps you become more successful with your goal planning for the year. Now, here it starts off with awareness and self-discovery. So what it tells you is it tells you where to start in the book, because in the book, this whole book is basically a whole journey for you. Okay, so in here it says page 16 and 17. So just to give you an idea of what that's like, right? I'm going to go to 16 and 17. Boom. Awareness and self-discovery, mission and vision statement. So you will want to fill this out. Now I know that it looks a lot. It looks like a lot initially, but there are some really good questions in here, and you don't have to do it all in one setting. You can take your time. But I mean, even if you don't have the answers for one of these questions, you can skip over it. It's just supposed to help you, but it's a guide, so it's not something that you have to do, but it is something that can possibly help you on the road to your success. Now, also, there are some other things that roadmap will take you along the way to answer more things along the book. Now, just to also go over some things that was the roadmap. The next thing, here are some questions to empower your day. Okay, so how am I happy about, or what am I happy about in my life right now? Little things right there. That way it helps you kind of pinpoint what you may want to improve on, so that way you can be mentally aware of, where you're at and where you want to be. Okay. In here, I don't know if you can see all that, is your emotional vibrations. It just goes into details about what your emotions can be like and things like that. It's good to look over. And then we also have on the next page, they wrote why I created this planner for you. There's just a really good details. They go into details for that. And their acknowledgments, goal setting. So you can write down your goals, create harmony on all levels. So create a mind map of your goals to live a happy and joyful life. So here we are. You can just kind of do that if you would like to. Basically, what this whole planner does, it really helps you to track your habits, track your moods, and also track your goals, guys. So this is a really great planner to have. And you know what? The first year I was using it and I didn't complete all the questionnaires. I did complete a lot of my goals still, but I just feel like I want to take it a little more serious and give it all I have, to see what it has to give back to me, because it did have a lot to give back to me. That's a really cool planner. So anyway, so here we are, and there are just more questions, more things for you to fill out. I'm just flipping through it right now, guys, so you can see. Now, also, before each month comes in, this one is January. So before each month comes in, they give you a whole view of the month. They have just some things, actions to take. You can just write down anything you would like to right there. Your feeling of emotions, their intentions, skills learned, things you would like to learn, things you want to accomplish. This is just a whole outlook. And then it goes into details. It goes into details on everything. Now you can use this goal also for your fitness. They've got little cups of water down here, cups of water, shots of vodka, whatever your goal is, you can obtain it and keep track of it. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. All of that breaks down into details. Positive habit maker, exercise, meditate, gratitude, and love. Guys, this is just so great. It covers everything, right? Okay, so also just want to let you know I'm going through this. And then at the end of each month, there is a reflection section, right? Come on. How cool is this? There is a reflection section. So you get to reflect on how this month went for you. Now, if you put your goals in the beginning of this month, you can go back to that and see what you actually accomplished and write it down here. If there's things that you want to achieve for next month, then you know what? You get to start it and you put it after your notes and stuff. You put it on for next month, February, and go from there. Guys, this is freaking awesome. And they don't even pay me to do this review. I just want you to know how great this freaking book is. Now, here is your bookmark. I see a lot of people make bookmarks with their sticky notes, which is something that I do because I'm a sticky note queen. It's so bad. All right, so just to go over more, they do have an instruction towards the back on how to use this planner, right? Because it almost looks like a lot of stuff, but it really is really not that. It's not that bad. It's a good go with the flow book. And then top places I love to visit, right? You can write your notes down. Anywhere you see the dots is your note pages. You can write down all the places you would like to visit or places that you want to visit. Let me see if you can, yeah, you can see that. All right, so this is the map of the world. It's only flat on paper. Okay, and then there is the United States. You see it, you can see it. There is the United States, a little bigger, a little better for you. And then in this pocket in the back is where you can stick your things. So I'm going to put my stickers, my hoarder stickers in here. I don't know if this fits. Does this fit? It doesn't fit. That's okay. All right, put that back. Here's a little place for your pen. Here is this. Here's the back of the book. It feels so cool. And then there you are. This is the 2020 Law of Attraction Planner. It is awesome.